Welcome back to hawkeyeskunkworks. We're gonna open this giant box. Yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
We are going to do something that has never been done before. The cheapest third-gen Toyota 4Runner in the entire country. Welcome back to hawkeyeskunkworks, where I have bought another 4Runner. Seriously.
It just got deep.
Ruh-roh.
Dad, everything is blowing!
So, it's a little after 8 o'clock, and it's dark and we're in bed. Well, we finally got unstuck. That was a little ridiculous. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro and that wonderful montage of this box. As you may have already figured out by everything leading up to this video, we are going to open up this Costway 44 quart 12 volt electric fridge freezer for the 4Runner. I literally have not opened this up. I haven't, it's not staged or whatever. Have we opened it yet?
No!
No. So, let's go ahead and dig into it. All right, enough ridiculousness. I am 35 years old. I know how to open a box carefully with a knife. Famous last words. Honey, you didn't hear any or see any of that. No problem. So we're going to Tennessee, as you all know. We're gonna be there doing a bunch of different things for a week and a half. So we're gonna need meals. We're gonna need to keep food cool. I was gonna take my Arctic cooler, which I love. We take it camping with us with the camper all the time. I usually just throw a bunch of ice in it, and that's what we keep drinks and overflow stuff from the fridge in, and it does a fantastic job. And I was gonna get that. I didn't want to put ice cubes in it because I don't want to listen to ice and water sloshing around on the trails for 3 days. I could have got ice packs, but I don't really have any big, good ice packs. So I'm like 40 bucks in to get those. And then everything's just crammed in there next to ice packs, stacked on top of each other. And a lot of it is gonna be bread, fruit, stuff for meals, not just bottles of water and adult beverages. So I knew for a while I was gonna get a 12 volt fridge. Obviously I looked at the Coleman and Igloo ones. Those only keep food, I think it's 30 or 40 degrees cooler than the ambient outside temperature, which is fine unless your car is sitting in the sun and it's 120 degrees inside the car, which this is gonna sit. It is gonna sit. I'll bring it inside at night, whatever. But, so that wasn't an option. Anyone who's looked at, I'm gonna try and be graceful and get this out of the box while I'm talking to the camera. And it's not that heavy. Will you grab that box and pull it out? If you've looked at 12 volt fridge freezers for close up more than 2 minutes, you've seen the Costway unit on Amazon. It's like $350, give or take. I honestly don't remember at this point. So here it is. It looks really, really nice. It's a lot better than I was expecting. So kind of like I said earlier, I'm already extremely impressed with the type of material that it's made out of. Kind of the fit and finish of the outside of it is really good. These controls look really nice. I still got, it's plastic on here to cover it up for protection. I'll leave that on there for now. This handle's kind of got a rubberized coating on it, and so does this handle. Really sturdy. It doesn't feel like it weighs that much more than my Arctic. Open up. Wow. I didn't actually know that this came with a basket. That's awesome. And a divider in the basket, which is also really awesome. So let's go ahead and pull this out. We've got in here instructions, 12 volt and 110. We're going camping this weekend. It's Thursday right now. We're leaving tomorrow night. After I make this video, I'm going to take this inside, get it prepped with 110 so we can pack it, which is basically how you should use these. And then tomorrow before we leave, instead of taking the Arctic cooler, I am going to take this so that we can test it out. Inside is aluminum. Kind of cool that there's some cup holders down here just to, you know, keep stuff settled. We've got, this is your dry compartment, like stuff that you don't want to have a chance of freezing fruits and vegetables. My kids love fruits and vegetables. Thank you, Jesus. So that will be really handy. Light there. And then this is just a power inverter. So we'll need that. My 4Runner does have 12 volt outlet in the back, and the 24/7 12 volt mod that I did in an earlier video, link down below, enables that to be on all the time, no matter if the car is on or off. All right, I just plugged it in. This plug-in cord is really heavy duty. Eventually, I might upgrade that to a little bit heavier duty style outlet, but again, that's something else that I'm really impressed with. Here's kind of a size comparison of how it is in the 4Runner. It's not pushed anywhere near the back yet. So I need to fab up kind of a bracket to go across here so that I can strap it down. And then there's one of these in the back that 3 points should be good to go. So you just long press power to turn it on. I have the car running right now. Let's see, we can go in, you can change Fahrenheit, Celsius, Eco, and I'm assuming that's a high mode. We go at 78 degrees inside now. Got it set to 33. I can't open it all the way up, it hits the ceiling, but I keep this bungee cord up here. I have one over there too, and this is where we put our fishing poles. But I believe if I open it like that, it'll stay open. The light is on, it's kind of washing out, but there you have it. Costway 44 12 volt fridge freezer. Little update before we end the video. We are camping this weekend. When I plugged it in originally to the 12 volt outlet over there, it errored out. It wasn't getting enough power to turn the compressor on. It was running this, the display panel, but it was not actually turning the compressor on, no matter which configuration of settings I put it on. I've done some more Googling, and I've talked to someone who has one of these. You have 3 modes on the back, the high, medium, and the low, and that is when it will stop kicking the compressor on based on what your battery capacity is at. And then there's the Eco and the high on the front there, and apparently you don't want to run the Eco ever. It's just not very good for the unit. So it works really good on 110, and I don't have 110 in this. So what I've done today at the campground, it was super easy. I went to the hardware store and I got some 12 gauge automotive wire. I pulled that plug out. I ran a fused wire straight from the battery to there, off of a relay. I don't know that I needed the relay, but I figured that would be more consistent power. So I've run a constant power to that relay off the same fuse, 12 gauge wiring all the way to the back, about 6 inches of heavier ground wire straight to the body, and I've been running almost 3 hours set to 31 degrees. It aired out one time because I still had it set on high, and I've put it down to medium, and it's been cycling perfectly fine. I've been taking amperage readings with my multimeter straight from the battery, and it still hasn't dropped below 12 and a quarter volts. So I'm going to give it another half hour or so, and then I'm going to try and start the car, see where this is at. But that seems to have solved the issue. The wiring was just so small, and who knows what else all was draining on that circuit. Hopefully that'll help you guys out if you're looking for a fridge. As always, if you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below, or shoot me over an email, hawkeyeskunkworks@gmail.com. You'll also find links for my Instagram and my Facebook down below. As soon as I get some mounts made up to strap that fridge down, I'll be sure to post some pictures over there on that. As always, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, and be sure to turn on the notifications. I've got lots of videos coming very shortly. So also, I'm going to hit this every video for the next little while. If you're going to be at ATR this year, drop me a comment down below. Better yet, send me an email and a picture of your rig, or shoot me a Facebook or Instagram private message with a picture of your rig. I'm gonna try to, I'd like to meet as many subscribers and followers at ATR as possible, and I'm gonna bring a whole stack of stickers along to hand out to anyone that I meet down there. So until next time, thanks for checking the video out. Take care. Goodbye.